Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a quick video on how I refresh my curls using the VP Royal's Dulce Hair Milk. And this is actually a new product coming out soon, and it's part of the aloe vera and vitamin E collection. And what I love about this is the fact that I can use it on dry hair. I don't have to spray any water on it, and it works wonders. And not only that, it actually moisturizes your hair as well. So you know, some products, it gives you definition and you can use it to style it, but then the next day your hair is still dry. And with this, I have found that, you know, the next day I still get moisture, and the following day as well. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna start off by taking this out, and my hair looks this dry and frizzy because I washed it a couple of days ago and I didn't actually have any time to add styling products, so I've been living on head wraps basically. And yeah, so I'm just gonna part my hair into 4. This makes it easier to distribute the product. So yes. I know I said you can use this on like your dry hair, but if you want, you can add a little water. Just don't drench your hair in water. Just dampen it a little bit and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna apply it of this. So I'm just gonna carry on and do this to the rest of the 3 sections on my hair. So with this one, I'm going to just spray a little, not too much, just to give it a bit of a damp, and add the product. And if you want, you can further section the hair, probably be much easier and quicker. I normally finger detangle, but if you want, you can use a wide tooth comb. What I like to do as well is use the Denman brush and just go over for extra definition. See, the curls have come back, less frizz, more moisture. So what I do, I normally let my hair dry, but today I'll be using a diffuser. I normally use it on the cold air setting because I don't really like to apply heat to my hair. So yeah, let's dry up.
Yeah.
also what I forgot to mention to you guys is that VP Royals uses all natural ingredients on all their products. So it's free from parabens, literally sulfates and all the harmful chemicals, and also perfume which dries out your hair, if you didn't know about that one. And yeah, I will put the link of where you can purchase some of the VP Royal products, and when this one is out we will let you know. So make sure you're following VP Royals on all our social media, so Facebook and Instagram, and to receive notifications for more videos click on the subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye.